What's going on, team? I hope everyone's having an absolutely fantastic day. So today we're going to be going over what is going on with SPY and my opinion on the future of the overall market. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, now you guys should be seeing my screen. Let me make sure everything's good. Looks good. We're recording. Okay. Oh, that's the wrong one. Alright, so as you guys know, this is SPY, so this is the S&P 500, basically the overall index of the market. So what I'm going to be showing you guys today is basically my opinion on the market. And once again, I'm not a financial advisor. Like, don't take my opinion as law. Like, it's just my opinion. You guys do your own DD and figure out what you see value in and your opinion on stuff. But this is my opinion. You could do what you want with it, but don't just go off of what I say. So first off, let's get into it. I'm going to clear the drawings here and I'm going to redo them to show you guys exactly my thesis behind what I'm thinking. So if you guys see, we triple topped here at around 281 about a few months ago, and came down. We were consolidating in this nice horizontal pattern here, and as you remember, we flew down, hit this support level at around 231, and we've been grinding up ever since. So first off, let me show you guys this. So as you see, top here, and now we have a top here. If we look close here, I'm going to start my drawing line right here, and then as I zoom out, we can see that these tops aren't even, but there is a trend to the downside. So as you guys can see, these are lower highs. So here it's technically a triple top, but as you can see, it is more of a lower high situation going on. So we were higher here, we came up, made a lower high, flush down, we're coming up here at this resistance level, making a lower high again, and we're seeing some resistance at this level. If we zoom into previous patterns, we could see that here this was about a 1.8% pullback, okay, and then here was about a 1.8% pullback, here was about a 1.2% pullback, and now here we are at this level, and we are currently, wow, I can't even see that, but this, how can I even do that? But as you can see, this right here, this little level right here is about 1% to 1.2%. So what I'm going to be waiting for, the reason why I have two alerts set in this general area, is because I'm going to wait to see if we break below this support area. This resistance is going to turn into new support. If it does not, that means we are going to be going towards the downside most likely, and the bears are going to be in control. That'll give me some confirmation on my edge and whether or not to take the trade, and I won't be like shorting SPY. I'm most likely going to be taking a long position on TVIX. That has the most potential in my eyes, so that's what I'll be doing. But as you can see, in this here, this resistance level became new support. This resistance level became new support. Just once again, it's just trending just like how it should. But now we've topped out at this level. We saw a nice spike gap down during the pre-market hours and during the today, which is showing us bearish signals. We have seller wicks going here. Sorry, my other one just turned off. And so we're coming down, and that's definitely giving us more signs. What I want also is that I have an alert set for this 279.32 level. That is the high of this candle. So that's going to tell me whether or not if we can reject at that level. If we do come back to that level and we do start rejecting, I will enter on my position on TVIX around there, risking the high of this candle, which is a great risk reward ratio, because I'm literally risking probably 20 cents to potentially swing TVIX all the way back down for whatever amount of time, as long as it takes. I mean, it could be a 2-month position or it could be a 3-year position. It just all depends. But I'm not going to be hoping for anything. I'm just gonna trade what the chart gives me, and right now on a technical analysis basis, this stock definitely looks like we will be heading to the downside. So you guys can take with it what you will, but let me show you something else on this level also to give some more confirmation. As you can see, this high here at around, when was this? So this was 2018. As you can see, we topped out here and we actually had a pretty nice substantial pullback from that level. If we draw a trend line from here all the way over here, we are perfectly topping out at that level. That also gives us more confirmation that this previous resistance will also give us resistance here. If that does not happen and we do start breaking above this level, we start breaking above this lower high and then this higher high, then I do think we will be heading more to the upside and possibly fill this gap above to 285. I will definitely not be shorting anything or longing TVIX if we do break above this high at 281, or even if we get to 282, then it's over, and I do think the bulls are in control. We will be heading higher, but as of right now, it definitely looks like bearish from a technical analysis standpoint, and analytically also, when you think about it, the amount of people that can't pay off their cars is astronomical. Inflation rates are rising. The Fed is doing all these things to kind of generate a buffer for inflation. So a lot of things are going on right now that do show the stock market overall as bearish. So I definitely am more bearish on the stock market right now. I will be waiting for my confirmation. As soon as we get below this level at around 275, 76, I will be taking my position on TVIX. If I do show you guys TVIX real quick, TVIX, as you can see, this level here at around $24 is a very strong support level. Hopefully we won't get to that level, and I honestly don't think we will, because we have this previous support here at this $30 level, and it's the whole dollar resistance at 30. Support at 30. So that's gonna create a nice support level for us. As you can see, we did trade off this support level today at 30. We are trying to climb back up. I do like above this level at 34.01 to make this previous support level into another support level. So we'll break out of the resistance, make that new support, and then start trending higher. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm most likely going to take my position on TVIX at above $34 if we can show that the bulls are in control and we have made this level now support. So guys, that is my opinion. I am a technical trader, so I base most of my stuff off technicals, but also analytically, the stock market is basically pretty bearish because of everything going on. But yeah, just take this with a grain of salt. It's just my opinion, but I do think it might help some of you guys out to better understand kind of some other perspectives in the market and maybe what you see value in. So guys, I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day. I really appreciate you watching my video. And yeah, so let's get ready for tomorrow. Let's kill it tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Fridays are usually a little bit choppy, but we did have some nice runners today, such as Z Sand. So I'll be watching that into tomorrow. But yeah, so I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, let's kill it, team.